Good morning viewers and subscribers. Our first video for the new year. I say happy new year to each and every one. Thank you for making it Caribbean Vibe cooking vlog. So you know Ackee season in Jamaica. When you have to go far, just Ackee them just there at the right reach for me, you know. So it's been a while. I'm gonna do one breakfast, and this is where the channel started off. I remember when I just started off. Right in the yard, right there, so. You know. I'm gonna do an Ackee and Saltfish vlog this morning with roast breadfruits. And try to see if I can get some chocolate at the market. I want some good old Jamaican chocolate. I want more than one because dozen Ackee are fine because so many Ackee up on the tree. Morning sister. I think this will do. I think we want more than this morning. I want so many things to be grateful for being a Jamaican. There's always some form of fruits or some form of ground provision that is in season. You can never go hungry when you're in Jamaica. Yeah, ox them off. Half pound of saltfish ready. I don't want to overpower it with too many Ackee. I don't want to overpower it with too many saltfish. Just want to have the right amount. These Ackee are butter Ackee. So these Ackee can eat by themselves. More than this. Yeah, have them get their morning food. I'll feed them my people before we start the video so they can remain calm. Yeah, my people. My brother-in-law just asked me where I get breadfruit from. And I really breadfruit season, but Friday I cook up a Chef Gear birthday. I was so surprised when I see breadfruit from Chef Gear breadfruit tree up there. Go up to Chef Gear. Happy belated Earth Strong once more, brother. Wish you nothing but the best in life. Yeah, so we have set out the breadfruit them, you know, and stay there and go and roast. So roast breadfruit this morning, Ackee and Saltfish, and some fried plantain. Yeah, we are washing off the Saltfish. So just washing off the loose salt off of it, just breaking down the salt a little bit. And I add it in this container here. Add some more water on it.
Come.
Yeah, we are turning the breadfruit then. Ah. Fire warm in the morning. boil up. I will take you out now and add in the ackee. Add in the ackee, because I'm going to take out the saltfish. These ackee are pretty much easy to cook. The man will call them butter ackee, eh? As water boil over them, then ready. Yeah, I take out the saltfish. No, sir. Add them now to the water. Check on the ackee. See it? There. Take off right now. Less than 3 minutes and the ackee cook. Have to take it off. The back side, where do you eat that dog them? Yeah, we are clean up the surface. Take off the scale and the loose bones, such as this one. Then we go through, take out the pin bone them out of this part too. Wicked breakfast this morning. Yeah, I'm gonna fry up some plant, my people. Yeah, and cleaning up the station is very important to clean as I go, you know. Put them in the container, right? I say. Rasta man love these things, you know, calabash. People call it gourdy, you know. Yeah, plant them ready. Not all of them, but about the one them ready. Good morning, my beautiful people. Yes, so I'm gonna saute the vegetables. We're gonna start by adding in some chopped garlic, onion, scallion, bell pepper, tomato, a little pimento seed, of flavor. We're gonna add in the saltfish. We're gonna add some ackee in. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, the Rasta.
You know, pass me a pass and smell the pot, you know. I'll come over and you know, say, boy, I look about breakfast.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's a good look, man.
Bro.
Oh, my world.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to get to the house here and start this here, man. Yeah. Looking good.
Yeah. So because the pot that have no angles, I just have to take time and flip because we don't want the ackee to break.
Yeah. Something like, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, so Rasta, you go peel up one of the breadfruit them so we can mash up the thing early and move down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'll get the breadfruit.
One of them.
Peel up, you know. So yes, peeps, Happy New Year again. Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself. May you know have a prosperous one. You know what I say? Caribbean vibes out this morning. Yeah. Breadfruit look good. Ackee and Saltfish, roast breadfruit in the morning now.
Sister husband just see me and I say, which part I go find breadfruit? Because I say no breadfruit that either sees either one.
Yeah.
Man I say, where am I go find breadfruit?
Yeah.
Yeah guys. Breadfruit, the big breadfruit not ever good. Swear. But you know we have to make the thing work because we're a team. Yeah, and this is one of my plate. Breadfruit full of pea beans thing, you see? Watch it.
I lost some breadfruit them, so I'm fine now.
I'm here for record that way I record that. What do you say about that one? Breadfruit full of pea beans thing.
As I say, I lost some breadfruit seeds right now, so you can find the breadfruit then. The last one them, you know, get no good eat out of them.
Yeah, so a day in our life with Caribbean vibes. You know, this is how we go through the daily routine in the morning. About the breakfast, you know?
Yeah. I get to the breakfast now. Any breadfruit taste better? Alright. Turn.
Yeah, this one I was the one that turned the little one, the small one. So if I never had small one, I would have no no breakfast this morning.
Ackee and Saltfish and breadfruit in the morning. Nice! Yes, I need for that.
Yeah, I see.
Fry plantain.
And the Ackee they are not overcooked, you know. Because the Ackee are really soft.
Yeah.
But the Ackee them, so less than 5 minutes they're ready.
Yeah, man. A good look, man. Wonderful breakfast in the morning.
Guys, you know me, you know. Once I smell food, you know somewhere to find them. So you know where you going. Ackee and Saltfish, fried plantain and roast breadfruit. Edit again, Caribbean vibes. Really nice. Enjoy it. And the breadfruit come out perfect. Moist and firm. Ackee, nice. Saltfish. I'm not overcook. Everything perfect.
So yes, peeps. I tell you, breakfast nice.